Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need windshield repair, tire rotation, brake repair, when you bring your vehicle to Allen GMC, you're sure to receive prompt and courteous service from a GMC certified staff dedicated to quality for our customers. We strive to get all of your maintenance and repairs done right the first time. Visit us at www.allengmc.com. While you're there, print out money-saving service coupons. Find out about our internet specials. Get a quick quote. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Allen GMC is located at 28332 Camino Capistrano in Laguna Niguel, California.